Hi, I'm Seth Fenby from Q Sales Inc. and this is a virtual inspection by video. What we have here is a Wright 36-inch stander with a 17 horsepower Kawasaki engine. We're going to run and operate this machine, and then we're going to inspect the major components. As you can tell, this machine starts right up. It has no issues. Basically new. The engine is a Kawasaki FH541V. It's a KAI 17 horsepower engine. Basically a brand new engine. The deck's in excellent shape. No problems with this. This machine has 13 original hours on it. So you're not going to have any problems with this machine. It's basically new. Tires are all new. Comes with everything you need to start mowing grass. So if you have any questions, just give me a call. But this thing, it's a new machine you're buying. Thank you.